Starting with numerical number 19, find the equivalent resistance between the terminal. Equivalent resistance is also known as total resistance. For understanding, you can think it as total resistance in the circuit. Now, here they have asked between the terminals A and B. So there is a mistake in the question. It should be F and B. Why? See, the current starts coming out from the positive terminal. So F is the starting point, and then if you see, B is the point where again B is the point where current comes out and reaches the negative terminal of the battery. So this should be the 2 points, starting point and the ending point, and between these 2 points whatever resistances are there connected, I want the equivalent of them, means the total resistance supplied to the circuit or in the circuit, available in the circuit, you can say. So we want equivalent resistance in the circuit. After that, in the network shown in the figure, given that the resistance of each resistor is 10 ohm, whatever resistors are connected over here, each of them has 10 ohm as the resistance, but the value of the battery is not given, so we are taking it as 10 volt, means the battery connected over here has 10 volt, 10 volt as a EMF. Now the circuit given in your textbook is smaller in size. I have just zoomed it so that you can easily see the direction of the currents. So we want to find out the resistances, equivalent resistance. We'll consider this circuit first, then this circuit or loop. This loop as your first loop, second loop, and this as the third loop. Okay, this one, L shaped. So let's start. I'll start with my first loop. You can start from anywhere, your wish. You can select any one as the starting point. I'm taking G as my starting point. So from G to A, okay, A to B, B to H, and H to G. So for that I'll write over here, applying Kirchhoff voltage law in loop. You'll have to write this, okay? That is, I'm starting from G, A, B, H, again G. See, I started from G and I ended at G. Means the loop is complete. Now I can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now while going from G to A, the direction of the current and the direction you are tracing, both are in the same direction. So it will be minus 10 I2. Why I am taking 10? See, every resistor connected over here has resistance 10. Then while going from A to B, your direction and the direction of the current is same. So again it will be minus I2 into 10. Then while coming from B to H, see, your direction and the direction of the current is opposite. Now what direction is coming, what amount of current is flowing towards H? That I have not written. It is I minus I2. This is given in your textbook. Okay, I minus I2 is given in your textbook. This current. So your direction and the direction of the current is opposite. So it will be positive 10 I minus I2. Why we have taken 10? Here we have resistor whose resistance is 10. Then while coming from H to G, your direction and the direction of the current is opposite. So it will be plus 10 and the current, that is I1 minus I2, is equal to 0. Now let's open the bracket. It will be 10 I2 minus I2 10. We'll open the bracket over here. 10 I minus 10 I2 plus 10 I1 minus 10 I2. Sorry. Sorry students. Minus 10 I2, minus 10 I2, minus 10 I2 and minus 10 I2. It will be minus 40 I2. Right? Then plus 10 I1 plus 10 I is equal to 0. Okay. I can take this 40 I2 on that side. So it will be 10 I1 plus 10 I is equal to 40 I2 on right hand side because it was in negative. Then I'll divide by 10. So this gets cancelled. What remains? I1 plus I is equal to I2. Instead of 4, writing 4 over here, I'll divide this term by 4. So here I got the value of I2. Now let's start with our next loop. Applying Kirchhoff voltage law. You'll be writing this in full form, okay? In loop. From where I'll start from F. F to G, G to H, H to then M to F. F, G, H. See, I'm writing F, G, H, M, F. From F I started and I ended at F. Now while going from F to G, your direction and the direction of the current is same, so minus 10 I1. See, here we have I1 as the current. While going from G to H, your direction and the direction of the current is same, so again it will be minus 10 resistor ka value and the current, that is I1 minus I2. Then while coming from H to M, your direction and the direction of the current is opposite, so it will be positive 10 and the current, that is I minus I2. To see the current, this is given in your textbook. Okay, ये जो circuit है और ये value of current, direction of the current is given with the question to you. No need to draw and understand कि ये कहाँ से आया. It is given to you. In the question it is mentioned. अच्छा, ये हो गया. Then while going from M to F, your direction and the direction of the current is opposite, right? So it will be positive 10 value of the current I minus I1. I minus I1 is equal to 0. Now let's open the brackets. So it is 10 I1 minus 10 I1 minus minus plus. So that will be plus 10 I2, then this plus 10 I minus 10 I2 plus 10 I minus plus minus minus 10 I1, that is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see I2. Positive 10 I2, negative 10 I2 gets cancelled. 10 I minus 10 I minus 10 I, and then we have here also we have 10 I. So this positive 10 I, this negative 10 I gets cancelled. This positive 10 I, this negative 10 I gets cancelled. So we just have minus 10 I1 is equal to 0. I1 is coming as 0. No, I must have done some mistake. Let's check it once again. While going from F to G, we have current I1 and the direction is same, so minus 10 I1, yes. While going from G to H, we have I1 minus I2, okay, and the direction I1 minus I2, yeah, we have I1 minus I2, so it is same direction, minus 10 I1 minus I2, yeah, we have taken that. While coming from H to M, direction is same, not opposite, so it will be positive 10 I minus I2. Okay, here I have done mistake. See, if you notice, I minus I2 is flowing from here, so even here it will be I minus I1. You understood? I made a mistake in writing this value. So when you will be copying this circuit from the question paper, even you cross check whether you have written copied things properly or not. See what I did. Instead of taking I minus I1, of course यही करंट फ्लो होने वाला है ना यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर I minus I1 है, तो यहाँ पर भी I minus I1 होना चाहिए. That is the mistake we did. So while coming from H to M, it will be I minus I1. ये रहा, I minus I2 लिखा था, it will be I minus I1, है ना? क्योंकि देखो we started with I1, then I1 minus I2, I1 minus I2, उसके बाद में क्या है I minus I1, उसके बाद में again we'll have I minus I1, again we had I minus I1. So while opening, again we'll open the brackets. ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो even you will cross check the way I did. Minus 10 I1, then minus 10 I1, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. So plus 10 I2, then plus 10 I, plus minus minus 10 I1, okay, then plus 10 I minus 10 I1 plus minus 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 10 I1 is equal to 0. Now minus 10 I1 minus 10 I1 minus 10 I1 minus 10 I1, this will give me minus 40 I1 plus 10 I2 as it is, then plus 10 I, that will be 20 I is equal to 0. Now we have the value of I2 over here. So I can write the value of I2. Before that, if I divide the whole term by 10, then what will happen? ठीक है, this and this cancel, this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. So this is minus 4i1 plus i2 plus 2i is equal to 0.10 is 0. ठीक है. अच्छा, मतलब इसका मतलब क्या होता है, हमारे पास 10 चॉकलेट्स है पर हमारे हाथ में 0 है. 0. 0.10 is 0, 0.100 is 0. It will be 0. Now we have the value of i2. I'll substitute that value of i2 over here. ठीक है. Let me copy the same thing. Minus 4i1 plus i2 minus 4i1 plus i2 plus 2i is equal to 0. And what is the value of i2 that we have obtained? Even that I'll write there. i2 का वैल्यू आया i1 plus i upon 4. i1 plus i upon 4. Let's substitute. Minus 4i1 plus i2 का वैल्यू क्या है, i1 plus i upon 4. ये i2 की जगह पे I have substituted this plus 2i is equal to 0. Now to make the base common, what will I do? यहाँ पर 4 लाना है तो 4 4 ज़ा 16. यहाँ पर भी 4 चाहिए तो हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4 2 ज़ा 8. समझ में आया राइट? बेसिक था ये ऐसे ही करना है पेपर में भी. तो ये हो गया minus 16i1 plus i1 plus i plus 8i is equal to 4 0 is 0. So minus 16 plus 1 is minus 15i1 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 9i is equal to 0. Sorry. So 9i is equal to positive 15i1. I'll take this on right hand side. So we can find out the value of i1. i1 will be 9 upon 15i. That is 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. So now I have the value of i1, that is 3 upon 5i. This is the value of i1. Okay, I can put this value of i1 over here. What is it? i2 is equal to i1 का वैल्यू कितना आया, 3 upon 5i plus I upon 4. So how will I write it? 3i 4 5 are 20 plus I and this 4. ये 4 दोनों के टर्म के पास है, मतलब a के पास भी है और b के पास भी. So how will I write? a upon 4 b upon 4. I have written that a upon 4. So that got multiplied with 5 and b upon 4. Now here I have 20. So I want to make here 20. So into 5 into 5. So this will become 3i plus 5i upon 20. 3 plus 5 is 8i upon 20. And here I have i2. So 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So i2 is equal to 2 upon 5i. Okay. Now we'll go for our third loop. Third loop, I'll start from this L shape. I'll start from F, or I'll move to this side, E, then here, then here, then here, then here, and then here. Means F to E, E to D, D to C, C to B, B to H, or I can delegate it as say M, and M to F. Oh. So for that I'll use a separate page on which you all can see the things easily. Just give me a minute. We'll write the equation on this page. We're starting from F. We'll write applying, as my one hand is busy holding this phone, so please bear with me. In loop F E D, F E D, D to C, C to फिर B, B to H, H to M, M to F. इतना बड़ा नाम. चलो मूव करते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. H से E पे आए, कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है. अच्छा, जब E से D पे जाएंगे, बैटरी का पॉजिटिव क्रॉस करके नेगेटिव पे रुकेंगे, तो माइनस एंड इट इज़ 10. सो माइनस 10. बट जब D से C जाएंगे, नो रेजिस्टेंस, C से B नो रेजिस्टेंस. बट वाइल कमिंग फ्रॉम C to H, sorry B to H, while coming from B to H, see direction of current and your direction is opposite. सो ईयर इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. कौन सा करंट आ रहा है? I माइनस I2. पॉजिटिव 10 I माइनस I2. ओके, अब आ रहे हम लोग H सेम. योर डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट इज अपोजिट, सो इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. कौन सा करंट है? I माइनस I1. सो पॉजिटिव 10 I माइनस I1. ठीक है, अब जाएंगे हम लोग M से F पे. योर डायरेक्शन एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट इज अपोजिट. ठीक है, वन सेकेंड. ओके, योर डायरेक्शन एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट इज अपोजिट. विच करंट इज फ्लोइंग? I माइनस I1. सो प्लस 10 I माइनस I1 इज इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, now minus 10 plus 10 I minus I2. ऐसे लोग हो गया I minus I1, I minus I1. Can I write it plus 20? 10 plus 10, 20. I minus I1 is equal to 0. Yes, I can write. Open the bracket. Minus 10 plus 10I minus 10I2 plus 20I minus 20I1 is equal to 0. I have just opened the bracket. 10 into I minus 10 into I2, 20 into I minus 20 into I1. Okay, now here we have 20I, this will become 30I. Okay, then I1 minus 20I1 minus 10I2 and minus 10 I'll take on that side, that will become positive 10. Let's divide by 10. ये इजी न्यूमेरिकल्स है, छोड़ के मत आना पेपर में, इजी मैथ्स लगेगा. माइनस 2I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. Now we have the value of I1, we have the value of I2. Let's see. We have the value of I1, that is 3 upon 5I. I1 is 3 upon 5I. ठीक है, we have the value of I2, that is 2 upon 5I. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. सो 3I माइनस 2. I1 कितना है? 3 अपॉन 5I. I2 कितना है? 2 अपॉन 5I इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ सबके पास डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, यहाँ पर हम 5 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, यहाँ पर 5 दे दो, सबके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गए. 3 5 ज़ा 15I माइनस 2 3 ज़ा 6I माइनस 2I इज इक्वल टू 0. एंड हियर वी हैव बेस एज 5. 5 0 ज़ा 0. तो ये हो गया 15I माइनस 6I माइनस 2I इज इक्वल टू 0. 15 माइनस 6 इज़ 9. बराबर. 15 माइनस 6 इज़ 9. 9 माइनस 2 इज़ 9 8 7. 7I इज इक्वल टू 0. सो I का वैल्यू 0 आ गया यहाँ पर. मतलब अगेन देर इज़ सम मिस्टेक. I का वैल्यू 0 कैसे आ सकता है? I का वैल्यू 0 नहीं आएगा. देर विल बी सम वैल्यू ऑफ I. No, I have done mistake. See, कहाँ हुई मिस्टेक? बताओ अगर तुम लोग ध्यान से पढ़ रहे होंगे. सी, वेयर आई डिड मिस्टेक. 10 अपॉन 10 कैंसिल हो गया है ना. 10 अपॉन 10 कैंसिल हो गया, 0 थोड़ी ना बचा, 1 बचा. ये मिस्टेक जो मैंने की है ना, ये मेरे बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं. सो 5 1 ज़ा 5. हियर इट विल बी 5. सो I इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 7. देखा कैसे अपना मिस्टेक पकड़ना है और हिम्मत नहीं आनी है. करंट कैन नेवर बी 0. करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना बेटा वहाँ पर. अच्छा, नाउ I का वैल्यू निकल गया. I1 का वैल्यू 3 अपॉन 5 इंटू I का वैल्यू क्या है? 5 अपॉन 7. 5 कैंसिल हो गया. सो I1 इज़ 3 अपॉन 7. ये सब एम्पियर में है करंट. एम्पियर. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ I2. 2 अपॉन 5. I कितना है? 5 अपॉन 7. 5 got cancelled, so I2 is equal to 2 upon 7 ampere. So I have the value of the सारा करंट. बट हमको इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए था. मिस ये सारे करंट क्यों ढूंढते बैठे हैं आप? अरे बेटा सी, रेजिस्टेंस, what is the formula of potential difference? V is equal to I into R. So what will be the formula of R? V upon I. बराबर. ठीक है. Voltage in the circuit, battery is providing the voltage, that is 10 volt. टोटल करंट I चाहिए मुझे. टोटल करंट इन द सर्किट इज़ 5 अपॉन 7. मिला ना हमको यहाँ पर. I क्या मिला? 5 अपॉन 7 मिल गया. दैट इज़ 5 अपॉन 7. अब ये मत पूछना मिस I1 और I2 क्यों कैलकुलेट किया. ये बस ऐसी एक्स्ट्रा अगर पूछ लिया तो I1 और I2 तुम लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. बाकी ये जो I1 और I2 हमारे पास है, बस यहीं तक लाना था हमको. ये I1 और I2 हम लोग ने ये इक्वेशन में यूज़ करके I की वैल्यू निकाली. ठीक है. बाद में ये नहीं भी किया, दिस पार्ट इज़ एक्स्ट्रा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट सब्सटीट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ आई इन दिस इक्वेशन एंड दिस इक्वेशन, इट विल डू. यू कैन स्किप दिस पार्ट. बस आई का वैल्यू आ गया एंड योर वर्क इज़ डन. देन अगर इसको हमको न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाना है तो कैसे लेके जाओगे? 10. ये ऐसा है ना, इसको उल्टा कर दो, मतलब हो जाएगा 7/5. दैट इज़ 70/5. या तो ऐसे कर लो, 5 1 ज़ा 5 2 ज़ा 10. ऐसे कर लो, 2 7 ज़ा 14. 14 ओम इज़ द रेजिस्टेंस इन द सर्किट. कितना बड़ा सर्किट है देखो. और ये पूरे सर्किट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 14 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस है. पूरे सर्किट में सिर्फ 14 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस है. ओके, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? देन इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.